this is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere, and as you can see, the axis is tilted, which causes the southern hemisphere to be in summer and the northern hemisphere to be in winter. So next we could see the northern and the southern hemisphere. So the northern hemisphere doesn't have enough sun to become summer, so it's spring. And in the northern hemisphere, it's not cold enough to be winter, so it's fall. Okay, here we can see the northern is getting all the sunlight, so it's summer. And in the southern, it's getting little to no sunlight, so it's winter. So here we have the northern hemisphere, and it's in spring because it's getting light but not enough to be summer. And in the southern hemisphere, it's getting enough sunlight to be fall. World, there's different seasons because they live in different hemispheres. So you can see there's this northern and southern hemisphere, so they're gonna have different climate if you live in different places. Solar energy causes seasons, and according to the tilt, because it hits the earth in different places, so not all the solar energy will hit the same places. Size does matter because if the earth would have been smaller, then the heat would have directed to a wider space. And distance does matter too, because the heat would have been less, the sun energy would have been less, causing different seasons.
This is the perspective of how the moons look from outer space. They're all the same at first, but they're different on Earth. It takes the moon 29.5 days to orbit around the Earth. The moon's light comes from when the moon reflects the sunlight.
Solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse is because solar is the sun and lunar eclipse is the moon. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the earth and the sun, causing a shadow of the moon to fall on the area in a certain portion of the earth. This is a solar eclipse because the penumbra is the dark part and the light part is the penumbra. Solar eclipses don't happen every full moon or new moon because the moon has to align with the sun. Sometimes it doesn't align because sometimes the moon can be right here and it can be a full moon. But when it's right here, it lines up with the sun, so it creates a shadow on the earth. When the moon gets closer to the sun, the umbra gets smaller and the penumbra gets bigger. But when the moon gets further away from the sun, the umbra gets bigger and the penumbra gets smaller. Eclipse happens when the earth moves between the sun and the moon blocks the sun's light from reaching the moon.